response with your confirmation? Like, yeah, we're on.
But so, like, for the purposes of shooting for like Prana, shooting for Cole.
Oh, don't. Oh, I just.
This.
I think this one over here.
Is there a strike? Oh, good.
Oh, breakfast. I'm a quirky, strange, semi-creative kind of dude. The kind of dude who you'd expect to know how to do a Rubik's Cube. So 2 years ago I bought a Rubik's Cube and I flew to Seattle and spent the like 3.5-hour flight teaching myself how to do a Rubik's Cube. Now I can do a Rubik's Cube. But when I was in 6th grade I bought a skateboard. This one. And then like 2 days later I broke my collarbone. Not skating, I was playing soccer in gym class and Vernon Chaplin slide tackled me. He played select soccer, he was really good. He's a super nice dude, but he slide tackled me and I fell wrong, broke my collarbone. So I never learned how to skate because by the time my collarbone healed enough for me to start skating, life had moved on for a 6th grader and I had other things to do, like start making videos. So I never learned how to skate, but in the background of my videos, I know how to longboard. And longboarding's different. I feel safer on a longboard than I do on a skateboard. I always feel like a skateboard's gonna slip out from underneath me. I can ripstick really well. Too well, in fact. Embarrassingly well. But I can't really skateboard, and the idea of a boosted board or like a One Wheel Plus is really, really enticing to me, but I never learned how to skateboard, and I feel like I should know how to skateboard before I do any of that. And so this skateboard is now more than 20 years old and it's rusted in some weird places and in horrible shape. And I met some skateboarders the other day that I filmed and I decided it's time to update my board and actually learn how to use this thing and be able to skate, because I'm the kind of guy who should be able to solve a Rubik's Cube and who should be able to skateboard a tiny little bit. So let's do this. Oh God. It is a balmy 21 degrees out. Well, that door's locked. Is there a better door? So I'm not gonna stand in the cold, but I'm gonna call them. I swallowed my pride after like 20 years to learn how to be a skateboarder. You're not gonna let me in? I tried tugging on the door and it seemed locked. Am I doing the wrong thing? So it's a tint shop and a skate shop, and they locked the door to the skate shop. It's now open. Let's go get a skateboard. We'll be back in like half hour, 45 minutes.
We try.
So the guy who runs the skate shop isn't at the skate shop even after they unlocked the skate shop. And they're busy doing non-skate shop things, like tinting windows and stuff. Yeah.
Like that. They were like that.
And then I got a team of 3 helping me out.
Yeah, they'll get you, man. I've been busy.
You might need new trucks because if you get a different size board. I used to skate when I was younger.
How old are you now?
13?
How? You have to understand it. In perspective, that's kind of funny. 'Cause
Yeah, it is
You're
funny.
only 13 and you used to do something.
Yeah, it is. Like this started Danny
Yes,
Reese.
be gentle.
I will.
Oh!
It's worth more than the skateboard.
Oh,
Hey guys, back in my...
So,
I'm putting that in.
Where'd the grip go? So you gotta do it
Fresh.
You learning now?
Fresh board. What?
You learning now?
Yeah.
That's what's up. You seen that video?
Before it's too late.
You seen that video? Dude learned to kickflip in like 5 hours or whatever.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh my god, yeah.
It took me like 2 days to learn how to kickflip.
Gotta get that B-roll. Done. Let's go home. Just gotta do a little better than that tomorrow, and then I'll be a pro. Today's final adventure is photography. I wanted to just have like 3 photos to make something today other than this vlog. I drove up Kings Highway to the Central West End. I'm gonna find a couple pictures here real quick, and then I'm gonna go edit this, go to bed early, and start tomorrow really early. I don't have a good microphone on anymore, so it probably sounds like crap. Okay, the end. Thanks for hanging out.
When you press me to your a world where roses bloom. When you speak, angel, sing from above.